Hi there, this is Sana, and welcome to Salonist Academy. In this lesson, we'll set up your calendar exactly the way your business works, from colors and booking statuses to staff shifts and availability. So let's jump into the software. First, head over to Setup, then open Calendar Settings. From here, you can fully customize how your calendar looks and behaves. You can manage your calendar status colors and even personalize the button text for every booking stage. For example, once a booking is confirmed, you can label it as confirmed. When the customer arrives, you can customize it with something like Welcome to Supernatural. When the service starts, here we go. And once everything is completed, we are done. You can also customize statuses for cancellations, unpaid bookings, rescheduled appointments, and more. And of course, you can change all the colors to match your brand style and make your calendar easier to read at a glance. Right below that, you'll find your appointment settings. This is where you can control how appointments appear inside your calendar, including room number options and staff calendar visibility. You can also customize your time slots depending on how you like to manage your bookings. For example, some businesses prefer appointments displayed every 60 minutes, while others may prefer shorter intervals like 10 or 15 minutes. You can also choose your time format, either 12-hour or 24-hour, and set which day your week starts from. Once everything looks good, just click Save. Now that your calendar settings are all set, let's move on to managing your team shifts. Head over to Staff Settings, then open Scheduled Shifts. From here, you can manage your entire team's schedule and availability. You can edit each staff member's working hours, set availability from opening to closing time, and even add break periods throughout the day. If someone is off on a specific day, you can simply mark that day as unavailable. You can also customize shift colors and quickly access the staff profile whenever you need to make updates. That way, your entire calendar stays organized, clear, and always up to date for both your team and your appointments. You are now ready to start managing your business with Salonist. Enjoy exploring features designed to simplify your daily operations and create a smoother experience for your team and clients. Now you can continue with the next guides and get the most out of Salonist.